Today I'm going to show you how to make summer soup. Yum! So let's get started. I'm starting off with 2 sticks of celery, which I'm slicing up. Now I need half a courgette, also sliced, and a sliced cucumber. I'm also taking half an onion, and I'm slicing this too. I'm also going to cut up 3 tomatoes. Perfect. Now let's head to the food processor. I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic. I'm now going to add half of the fresh ingredients. Along with 1/4 cup of olive oil. Give it a good blend. Perfect. Now I'm adding the rest of the fresh ingredients. Along with 2 tablespoons of vinegar and a splash of hot sauce to taste. I'm also seasoning with salt and pepper. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend that all together. This is going to taste super summery and super delicious. I'm now adding 4 cups of passata. We're now going to dice 2 slices of cucumber. I'm now taking an avocado and slicing that as well. Scoop it out, get rid of the pip, and then use your knife to get some large chunks. Perfect. Here I have a hard-boiled egg. I'm slicing this as well. Finally, it's time to plate up. Spoon your soup into a bowl. Yum! This looks delicious. Now sprinkle your diced cucumber on top. Add the avocado as well. That looks delicious. Now we're going to add the egg. This is such a well-presented dish. Finally, I'm adding some cooked prawns. Finally, garnish with some fresh coriander. And there you have it. It's ready to eat. The perfect summer soup recipe. Delicious! Doesn't that look great? Scrumptious summer soup. Bye!